Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cabinet pins is probably one of the most overlooked components in your cabinet setup, but trust me, they're essential. These little guys hold your shelves in place, and choosing the right ones can make a huge difference in both the functionality and aesthetics of your cabinets. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cabinet pins, exploring different types, materials, and what to look for to ensure your shelves are stable and stylish. Number 5. Swpeet Shelf Pins Kit, 4 styles. Introducing the Swpeet Shelf Pins Kit. These pins are made of high-quality iron with nickel plating, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. They are designed to fit 5mm and 6mm shelf holes. This kit offers a variety of styles to meet your needs. It includes bracket, spool, cylindrical, and dowel shelf support pins. You'll find the perfect fit for your cabinets and shelves. These shelf pins are versatile and suitable for various applications. Use them in cabinets, entertainment centers, bookcases, and more. They come with a convenient plastic box for easy storage. The L-shaped design ensures the pins stay securely in place. This unique design prevents the shelf from falling out. It provides a stable and reliable support system. For a tight fit, ensure your shelf holes are the correct size. These shelf support pins are designed to fit 5mm and 6mm holes. Make sure the holes are equal to or slightly smaller than the pin diameter. What we like. This kit offers a variety of shelf pin styles, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your needs. The nickel plating provides durability and a sleek look. If you have cabinets with different shelf hole types or are looking for a comprehensive solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The pins come organized in individual compartments, making it easy to find and use the specific pin style needed for each project. The kit offered a variety of pin sizes and styles, which allowed me to choose the perfect fit for the custom shelves. I looked on Amazon, found this kit. I was so grateful they worked for all the different shelves I had to put up. Number 4. 5mm Shelf Pegs Pins, 60 PCS nickel plated. Are you looking to add more shelves or replace missing shelf supports? These 5mm shelf pegs are the perfect solution. They are designed to fit most cabinets and shelves. These pegs have a 5mm diameter and are 8.7mm long, with a total length of 19mm. Make sure the holes in your furniture are the correct size before you buy them. Installing these shelf pins is simple. Just insert them into the 5mm shelf holes. It's a quick and easy way to improve your storage space. These shelf pins are suitable for cabinets, wardrobes, shelves, and bookcases. You can use them to add extra shelves or replace old ones. Each package contains 60 pieces of these spoon-shaped shelf pins. They are nickel-plated for durability and a clean look. Please note that these shelf pegs are only compatible with 5mm holes. If you need a different size, please check our store for other options. What we like. These shelf pegs are specifically designed for 5mm holes with a unique spoon shape. They are easy to install and provide a secure hold. If you are looking to add shelves to your existing cabinets and need a simple, reliable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The pins fit perfectly and were exactly what I needed. These shelf pins are sturdy and well made. They are the perfect size for my cabinets. Number 3. Shelf Pins Kit, nickel plated, 4 styles. These shelf pins are made of high-quality zinc alloy and nickel. They are built to last, ensuring your shelves are securely supported. The smooth surface is free of burrs, making them safe and reliable for everyday use. The kit includes 104 pieces of shelf holder pegs in 4 different styles. You'll receive L-shaped support pins, dowel pins, flat spoon shelf bracket pegs, and cylindrical-shaped cabinet pins. This variety ensures you have the right fit for your needs. These shelf support pegs fit cabinets with 5mm and 1/4-inch holes. The different styles offer various sizes to accommodate your specific shelving requirements. They are designed for easy installation and a secure fit. Use these shelf pins in cabinets, bookshelves, display cabinets, and more. They are perfect for furniture, wardrobes, closets, and pantries. They are easy to install by hand, making them a convenient solution for your shelving needs. For a tight fit, ensure your holes are equal to or slightly smaller than the pin diameter. Keep these small parts away from children. Following these guidelines will ensure the best performance and safety for the product. What we like. This kit includes 4 different styles of shelf pins, offering versatility for various cabinet types. Made from durable zinc alloy and nickel-plated for longevity. If you need a comprehensive set that fits both 5mm and 1 4-inch holes, this kit has you covered. What people say. Perfect fit. Good quality. Several different pin options all in one package. This set included the size needed for these shelves. This included many types of shelf holders for different bookcases that you can buy with adjustable shelves. This set had exactly the pins I needed and a whole bunch of backups. Nice organized case and really solid quality. Easily installed the ones I was missing from my bookshelf. Number 2. Primeline U10136 Shelf Support Peg, 8-pack. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's a reliable choice for your shelving needs. You can trust its quality and durability. These pegs are designed to support your cabinet shelves. Many furniture manufacturers use them. They are perfect for keeping your shelves secure. Each package contains 8 pegs. This provides you with enough supports for multiple shelves. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. The pegs have a 1 4-inch diameter. This size is standard for many cabinets. Be sure to check your needs before ordering. They are made of clear plastic. This allows them to blend in with your furniture. The installation is tool-free and easy. Installation is quick and easy. No tools are required. Just insert them into the pre-drilled holes. Please refer to the line art for dimensions. Compare them with your needs before ordering. This ensures a perfect fit. What we like. These shelf supports are made of clear plastic and are easy to install without any tools. They are a simple and effective solution for supporting shelves. If you are looking for a discreet and easy to install option, these pegs are a perfect fit. What people say. Fit in the old slot with no drilling needed. Now the shelf is secured. Very good and strong. Shelf holders. Great fit, work good. Number 1. Shelf support pegs, nickel-plated L-shaped clips. These L-shaped shelf bracket pins are designed for your cabinets and shelves. They provide a secure and stable support system. This is a great solution for your home. This set includes 40 shelf support pegs, each designed to fit 1 4-inch holes. The L-shaped design ensures a secure fit, and the dimensions are perfect for most cabinets. They are easy to install. The L-shaped design keeps the pins firmly in place. A small hole allows for a screw to further secure the shelf. This design eliminates the chance of the shelf falling out. Made from high-quality steel and polished nickel, these shelf pins are built to last. The smooth surface prevents rust and oxidation, ensuring long-term use. They are very durable. These shelf pins are suitable for various applications, including cabinets, bookshelves, and closets. They are easy to install by hand, making them a versatile solution for your shelving needs. You can use them in many places. The shelf pegs have been upgraded for a more stable fit. Ensure your shelf holes are 1 4-inch or slightly smaller for the best results. This will ensure they fit perfectly. What we like. The L-shaped design provides a secure hold, preventing shelves from tipping. They are made of durable nickel-plated steel. If you are looking for a shelf pin that offers both security and style, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit perfectly in the pre-drilled holes of the second-hand armoire I am repurposing. They went in quickly and provide significantly more support. They work great, sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.